Bahumulya diyani kariya yatan pavitra samskara kare kare nivedan. I think I read this already. All the fruits are collected from distant places and brought at a high price. That's what it says here. These fruits are they're collected from 40 miles away, and they're purchased at a high price. After cleaning them with great care and purity, Raghava offers them to the deity. E mata vyanjanera shaka mulafal, e mata chira hudum sandesha sakal. With great care and attention, Raghava Pandit prepares spinach and other vegetables, radishes, fruits, chipped rice, powdered rice, and sweetmeats. So again, we're reminded of the essential quality of his offering. Although it's interesting that this verse only mentions food. There's no mention about great care and attention. The Prabhupada is just there's the word emata, which means in this way. So I guess this verse is referring to the other verse, with great care and attention. So this is the thing, great care and attention. Emata pitapana shira odan parama pavichara kare sarvatam. Raghava prepares cake, sweet rice, condensed milk, and everything else with great attention. And the cooking conditions are purified so that the food is first class and delicious. Sarva uttam. So it's the topmost of everything. It's the best of all. The topmost of everything. It's first class and tasteful. Parama pavitra. Everything is very, very clean. Kashamdi, Acharadi, Aneka Prakar, Gandhavastra Alankara, Sarvadravyasar. Raghava Pandit offered all kinds of pickles, such as Kashamdi. He offers various scents, garments, ornaments, and the best of everything. We mentioned the other day about someone buying some saman or some water pitchers for the ashram. And this person has its standard of always buying something good quality. Someone else bought some pitchers. You can buy a water pitcher for 200 rupees, or you can buy one for 1,000 rupees. So this person bought the 1,000 rupee ones because they thought, oh, this is for the ashram, this is for the Vaishnava seva. The Vaishnavas are so dear to Krishna. We should get the best quality that we can afford for them. So rather than cutting any corners, we're trying to save money for what? Because money, the best use of money is to spend it in the service of Krishna and devotees. So then he bought first class things. So we hear this is a characteristic of Raghava, that he is also offering the best of everything. Sarva dravya sar. Dravya means objects, articles, and sara means the essence or the best. And sarva means the best of everything, the best possible thing available. E mata primera seva kari anupam yaha deke sarva loker judaya nayan. Thus Raghava Pandit serves the Lord in an incomparable way. Everyone is very much satisfied to see him. Then Etabali Raghavere Kaila Alingane E Mata Samanila Sarvabhaktagane. After speaking like this to glorify Raghava Pandit, Mahaprabhu mercifully embraced Raghava. The Lord then also offered all the other devotees a farewell with similar respect. So after they ate prasad, the Lord ate prasad at Sarvabhauma's house. He glorified the other devotees in different ways, and then he bid farewell. So we'll also bid farewell to Raghava Pandit and Mahaprabhu. And tomorrow we'll hear the story of... This was the story of Lord Sri Chaitanya glorifying the cooking standard of Raghava Pandit. Tomorrow we'll hear about Gauranga's darshan of Nanda and Yashoda.